One45 Analytics is a turnkey data warehouse and dashboarding system designed for medical education. Today we will be looking at how you can investigate grade performance to prepare for course or curriculum review. Click on the I work in the Office of Medical Education and navigate to the Prepare for a Curriculum Review meeting and then click Prepare for a Course Review. Here you'll be brought to a page that allows you to narrow in on the particular course, academic year, grade sheet, etc. that you want to investigate. When I choose to report on biochemistry, here we can see the multiple grade sheets, the course name, and the academic years on the right. In this case, my 1920 year just wrapped up, and I'm going to click on that and narrow into that year's performance. Once I come into the grade performance dashboard, we can see a final letter grade distribution for biochemistry, the final letter grade for biochemistry, and additional data sources down below for the component grades. When looking at the component grades, we can see each graded activity that occurred within the course or clerkship. Here we have multiple assignments that were scored, final exam, quizzes, etc. When looking at the box and whiskers course event, we can see the assignment scores such as the maximum, average, and lower and upper standard deviations. We can also hover over the dots to identify any learners who were low performing or outside of the bubble. If I want to narrow in on a particular assignment or multiple assignments, we can highlight those within the visualization, or we can remove those filters at the top again. The component grades are available in a tabbed view to allow you to bubble up the performance across multiple activity types under one header. So here we can see the box and whiskers plot for all assignment scores. We can also see a score by activity bar chart, scores by activity type table, and a table of all activities. At the bottom of the page, you will also have a final numeric score table that allows you to look at the performance of the grades within this course. Oftentimes when reporting on course-related grades data, you may want to narrow in on the individual academic year and then broaden out to look at this data across multiple years. Our Compare Courses Across Years will allow you to jump to a supplemental dashboard to look at longitudinal trends for a course or clerkship. And we can also switch our filters to look at a different course or clerkship within here. The filters along the left-hand side of the page will also allow you to narrow in on specific activity types to understand performance within those.